Now we are going to answer the following questions. Tu te réveilles tôt? And the clue is given to us no. So the answer should be in the negative form. So when we are answering a question, tu becomes je, te becomes me, and réveiller for je, the conjugation is. So this is how we would write, but now we need it in the negative form. So je ne me réveille pas tôt. Je ne me réveille pas tôt. So that is how you write. Now the next sentence. Tu te lèves tôt? Non. Je ne me lève. Lève, here it is conjugated for tu. For je, it is, we just remove the s. Tôt. Now the next question. Pour aller travailler, tu te dépêches? Non. Again, tu becomes je ne me. Again, this is conjugated for tu. So we have to, in je, we have to just remove an s. Dépêche pas. Non, je ne me dépêche pas. The next question. Tu t'occupes des enfants? Non. Je ne. Ta becomes me, and occuper for je, occupe pas des enfants. And finally, the last sentence. Tu te couches tôt le soir? So again, the question is tu. So the answer becomes je and negative. Again, negative. So je, ne, and the becomes me again. Coucher is conjugated for tu. So when writing it for je and pas tôt. So this is how we write in the negative form. So you have to look at the subject. If the question is in the second person, the answer is in the first person. If the question is in the third person, the answer also is in the third person. In this case, all the questions were tu. So the answers or the subject for all the answers were je. So je, ne, me, the verb, and pas. So now you know how to write the answers for the questions that have the reflexive verbs.